Now I am going to show you how to create a simple Docxpresso template that will illustrate some of the most basic functionalities of our solution. I would like to start from the final result and show you later how this result was achieved. This is a mock form where end users are requested to provide certain information to fulfill an administrative procedure. Like you can see, there is quite a few data to be provided, but we would like to call your attention to certain particular features. There are blocks of content that are clonable, that can be replicated or removed as required. There are blocks of content that can be shown or hidden depending on the value of a variable. We can have fields with specific formats like dates, emails, etc. We may be requested to sign the document. And finally, we may be requested to provide certain attached documents if certain options are checked. Like we are registered users, we are redirected to the back office where we can download the generated document, download the uploaded attachments, and also notice that we are offered a link to share this document with external users. Within Docxpresso, it's very simple to share new fresh documents or previously edited ones with any non-registered user. Back to the Docxpresso data management interface, we may check all data generated by this template and export it in different formats like Excel or HTML, edit any document as many times as needed, download the documents, track all changes, set up revisions, or even anchor it to the Bitcoin blockchain. Let me now rewind to briefly explain what was needed to be done to generate this template and all associated functionality. Everything starts with a plain Word document where you should include some Docxpresso fields that are just plain text enclosed in double curly brackets wherever you want any part of the document to become interactive. Upload the document to your Docxpresso instance. Save it. And you may start the parameterization. For example, in the case of variables, we can set up a date type variable and a signature pad. In the case of blocks of content, we may make them clonable or not, as well as define their visibility properties. We would like to finish by just pointing out that in the same way that we generated the interactive documents that we have been using, a web form is also automatically generated from the fields within the document, offering an alternative interface for end users. Although we have probably covered only 1/10 of Docxpresso functionality in this presentation, I hope that all of this will make you curious to learn something more about the capabilities of our solution.